In the bustling city of Serendell, where towering skyscrapers kissed the clouds and the streets were alive with the hum of activity, lived a young woman named Isabella. She was a talented artist, known for her vivid paintings that seemed to capture the very essence of life itself. Isabella's art was her sanctuary, her way of expressing the beauty she saw in the world around her. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the city, Isabella decided to take a walk to clear her mind. She wandered through the crowded streets until she found herself in a small, quiet park she had never seen before. It was a hidden gem amidst the urban chaos, with lush greenery, blooming flowers, and a serene pond reflecting the twilight sky. As Isabella strolled through the park, she noticed a man sitting on a bench, his eyes closed as he listened to the music playing from his violin. The melody was enchanting, weaving through the air like a gentle breeze. Intrigued, Isabella approached and sat on a nearby bench, letting the music wash over her. The violinist played with such passion and emotion that it brought tears to her eyes. When the music finally ceased, the man opened his eyes and noticed Isabella. He introduced himself as Lucas, a musician who had traveled the world but always felt most at peace in this little park. Isabella and Lucas began to talk, sharing their dreams, their passions, and their fears. They found a deep connection in their love for art, despite expressing it in different forms. From that night on, Isabella and Lucas met in the park every evening. Isabella would bring her sketchbook and draw while Lucas played his violin. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, and soon they found themselves falling in love. Their hearts beat in harmony, their souls intertwined like the melodies Lucas played and the images Isabella painted. However, their idyllic world was soon threatened. A wealthy developer named Marcus had bought the land where the park stood, with plans to demolish it and build a luxury hotel. The news spread quickly, and the residents of Serendell were outraged. The park was a sanctuary for many, a place of solace in the bustling city. Isabella and Lucas were determined to save it, not just for themselves, but for everyone who cherished its beauty. They organized a protest, gathering artists, musicians, and residents from all over the city. Isabella painted powerful murals depicting the park's beauty, while Lucas composed a symphony that captured the essence of the place. Their combined efforts drew the attention of the media, and soon their cause became a citywide movement. Despite their best efforts, Marcus was unmoved. He saw only profit and dismissed their pleas. Isabella and Lucas were heartbroken, but refused to give up. They decided to confront Marcus directly, hoping to appeal to whatever shred of humanity he had left. One stormy night, they went to Marcus's opulent mansion. Soaked and exhausted, they were granted an audience with him. Isabella showed him her paintings, each stroke a testament to the park's beauty. Lucas played his violin, the music a poignant reminder of the peace the park offered. As the last notes faded, Marcus sat in silence, his expression unreadable. After what felt like an eternity, Marcus spoke. He revealed that he once had a daughter who loved the park dearly. She had passed away many years ago, and he had buried his grief in his work, forgetting the things she held dear. Isabella's paintings and Lucas's music had awakened memories he had long suppressed. Moved by their passion and the memory of his daughter, Marcus decided to spare the park. The news spread like wildfire, and the city celebrated. The park was saved, and it became a symbol of hope, love, and community. Isabella and Lucas's love story became legendary, inspiring countless others to fight for what they believed in. They continued to create art together, their love only growing stronger with time. Years later, they were married in the park, surrounded by friends, family, and the city they had saved. Their story was one of love and perseverance, a reminder that beauty and art have the power to change the world. Serendell flourished, its heart beating in rhythm with the melodies of Lucas's violin and the vibrant colors of Isabella's paintings. And in that small, quiet park, their love story lived on, an eternal testament to the power of love and art.